Hi, class. This is Professor Z. I just want to quickly walk you through Canvas so that you feel comfortable using this um, course management system. I'm looking at it on a laptop, and so if you are using a phone, it will look a little bit different, but more or less you'll follow and find the same things. So uh, you're going to have a few tabs over here on the left. You see you have the home page, which is what we're on, and then there's modules, grades, and Starfish Connect. In some of your other classes, there may be more tabs there. I just hide a lot of the tabs to try and simplify things for you. Um, some of your other professors may use like an assignments tab, but I've found that if I do that, sometimes students don't go into the modules and they miss readings and things that they need to do in order to successfully complete the assignments. So in our class, this is how we're going to use Canvas. So each week, this is the homepage, and each week I'll add a hyperlink here for that week, and the link will take you to the module. So, for example, we're in week 1, and this week we're going to be working on paragraph development. If you click on this link, it'll take you to the module, to the week 1 module. And so this is the week 1 module. Okay. The other way to do that is to simply, you can completely ignore the homepage if you want and go directly to modules and just scroll down to the module that you're looking for. By the end of the semester, there's going to be a module for each week. Okay. And, if I scroll all the way down, you'll see week 11, week 12. So it keeps going, okay? So at some point, you may start to feel like, ooh, I want to use the homepage so I don't have to scroll through everything. So I can just click, for example, on week 5, and boom, I'm in week 5, okay? So once you're into the module, right? So let's just look at this week. There's a weekly plan at the top, which is also in your supplemental packet, and that lists everything you're going to need to do for the week. Within Canvas, right, I'll put goals, like this is what we're trying to accomplish this week, and these are the steps that you're going to take to get there. You can click on each of these, and it'll take you to the classwork or the homework. Like almost always, these will have a hyperlink to what you have to do. Okay, so for example, we already did this stuff in class this week, and then this is what you've got to do before the next class. And you'll see that almost always stuff is just kind of due before the next class. There usually aren't assignments due at a distinct point during the week. Most stuff I just kind of expect you to have done prior to the next class. So if I click on the body paragraph assignment, within that assignment, there may also be other links. First complete the reading. Now, remember, you also have the reading in your supplemental packet. That's what SP is, SP 7 to 9. So that's telling you where you can find the hard copy of the reading. And then watch a short video titled Writing a Perfect Body Paragraph, which obviously isn't in your packet because it's a video. But almost any reading on Canvas will also be in your supplemental packet, okay? So this tells you what you have to do for the assignment. And then, it tells you right here is where you would compose, and you can also compose in Word or something else and paste it in, but I compose here and then I post a reply. Okay. So you just follow the instructions and complete assignments like that. The second way to navigate a module, if you don't want to use the weekly plan, is to just go from one thing to the next. So if I go to my first assignment, once I complete it, if I click next down here in the bottom right hand corner, it'll take me to the next assignment. If I click next again here, it takes me to the next assignment. So you can navigate in either way, whichever way seems to work for you. Okay. The next thing I wanted to show you is just the grades tab. This is where you would see your grades for all of your assignments. So this tells you how many points you could have received and how many you did receive. This shows you the weights of each thing, so like, your essays are worth 80% of your grade, so obviously they have greater weight. And if you click on an individual assignment, for example, the body paragraph assignment, you'll see your submission and you'll see my comments. And sometimes there'll actually be comments on here too. And I'll show you once you guys submit some stuff, I'll go over that so that you can, to make sure that you guys know how to find that. And I think that's really just about it in terms of navigation. I don't use Starfish. Some of your other professors may. They may give you kudos, or they may flag warnings for you, like, hey, you've got to do X, Y, or Z. So you don't need to worry about that for our classes. And I think that is it for Navigating 101. And the only other thing I would say is, remember, you do have this welcome module. And in this first module, you'll find your syllabus. You'll find this video for navigating Canvas. There's also a short Canvas guide. And if you have Canvas questions, please obviously feel free to ask me. And Canvas also, the company has a guide that tries to answer any of your frequently asked questions too, which you can easily find on the web. So good luck. And like I said, if you have questions, fire away.